Hello and welcome. Previously, we have done something like this. I think this is we have passed JSON. Now I want to show you that we can make our JSON format in our live server. That is, we can read database of our localhost by directly using PyMySQL. But have you ever thought you want to access your data from your live server like Godaddy and anything? For this, I will demonstrate by showing in live server also. And first of all, we will use in local server as same script in the live server. So I have taught you how to access this JSON format, and we will use same JSON format in our database. But before that, we have to create our own JSON format. For this, we have to install Jam Apache server, which is called Jam server, and you should start Apache and MySQL. If you have a website, then you could directly run in your website, but I am targeting to both with having website and not having website. So let's go to Jam server and htdocs, and we will make new folder with php python database accessing dbss. Let's make this, and I will use Dreamweaver as a creator, and I will create a new file of PHP, and I will erase all. First of all, I need to initialize PHP variable, and let's save it to same page. I think our C jam folder htdocs and pydbss. I will name this as all database. In coming video, we will use custom searching in Python. Let's make this simple. We will first of all we will make short and simple Python script and PHP script to make all the thing possible. Now for this, I will write, first of all I will make connection. Connection is equal to mysqli underscore connect. We should pass 4 variable. This is called, here it has given host, username, password and database name. We have to optional, we have to pass port, socket. This we need not to pass this. We will pass only 4 thing, and we will get connection in every database. Here this is localhost, host. This is username is root, password is null, and we will use the database here. Let's create a database here, and I will create a blog, only blog, and pydbscs. I think we have to make where it is blog pydbscs. I will add more couple of line, and for its this is id, and I will create name login, no, I will contact and address. This will be integer, contact will be in integer, it will be actually be int because it is of 10 digit, name of varchar and address same as variable and character. I'll make this as a primary key. No need to make this primary key, but we will make this primary key here and save this. We have to pass the length here. I'll make 100 of for name and 255 for address. Save this, and first of all I will insert all data. First of all we will create a database. We have created database and data, and now we will read the data. I think this database is blog. Now I will create on query. For here query is equal to select star from our database was DBSS, 5 DBSS. This is our database. Copy and paste. It will give us all result, and let's execute. Dollar result is equal to mysqli underscore query, and it will pass two variable. This is connection variable and query, or die. We will die mysqli underscore error no, and this is dollar connection. If it will give only true or false, then it will be SS. Now I will simply make nothing response, not more things. Let's read. First of all, we will create data is equal to array, and we will not pass any parameter in this. While I will make dollar row is equal to mysqli fetch array. While we are fetching array from result, and we will get all the data. We will create on temporary array. Let's make it t array is equal to array. It will be initialized every time we will pass from here. Now I will first of all I will create data from here. We have, I think, dollar id is equal to dollar row, and it should be id. There are four things I will show you. This is in contact name and address. Dollar contact, called this is UNT contact. This is name, address, this is $name, $address. Let's make the array of this value, all this value. $t underscore a, we will pass this with parameter id. This will be works as key $id. Let's copy this 4, and this is name, contact, and I will make address. $name, $contact, and $address. Now we have to push this array to database. Array push, array push. We have to pass two parameter here. This is first is to which we have to pass $data, to whom we have to push, and from which data we have to push. I think it will give us first of all the result. Now we have to encode the data to JSON. After this, just echo, I will make dataset echo, and I will encode in JSON format. Then encode $data. Let's preview this. Before I will insert data here. Insert Harry, sorry for this is integer 1. Harry contact name, sorry for this is contact number. I will add no more than this. Name is Harry, and address is stret, street number to this. I will make house, sir. Let's make this 2, and add this is 9876454, and this is Sari, and street 2, house 4, and let's run all this demo. I have only inserted 2. I will change the id to 3. This will be 4. Let's make this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This will be Sam. This is John. This will be much more fast for us. Think we have inserted 4. I will see that data, how many data we have inserted. As we have these are I have randomly inserted. You could insert more data to practice. Let's run the data. First of all, we will use localhost slash we have I think dv sse. Think we could have this. Let's find pydvss. PyDBSS. Yes, we have PyDBSS, and we will pass all db.php. As we have get this JSON format, and first of all we are getting the list here, and then after JSON I want to make this here response is equal to, let's make here, I will just pass here pons response dot, it should concatenate to me. If not concatenate, it will give us error. This I will encode this data. First of all, I will, this is array $j array is equal to this, and again echo, it should now contain JSON array. JSON underscore encode. I will make this response and dot. Now this should encode me. Where is the error, and here is the error. Yes, now I have get this line, but it is printing me this address. Let's not make this, we will make this later. We will make that file later with the response rate. Let's just read this data. Now we have to read this data. Here we pass same only this query. Let's copy this, and we have to pass here this get URL, and we will print this. Let's see if we will get this. Yes, we have get this, and same thing will be happen when we will upload to this database. Now I will upload this database to my live server. This is my Godaddy server. You are seeing this Godaddy server. This is my website, and let's see. I will upload a file, and sorry for this, I should upload here. Upload same file, I will upload here. See jam server, tdocs, and now it has been uploaded for me, and I should get this here. That's all db.php. Now I have to edit some of this variable because it was for local host means this, and I have to create, but I can't show you. I will pause this and return when I now I have edited this data, and we will see this is my website and we are getting this data and we can read this data here. Now same is previous, we can read this data like this, paste here and we'll get this data. This is data we have get, and there are link we can print. Sorry for this, we have to start Python again, and we can get this. Here are 4 rows. We can print only ID, name, and likewise I will print this and show you. Let's our file here. I will write fast because it is also becoming the more one. For list in r underscore json in form of list, and I will find this dlist and I will just print id. I print like this. I think this is 0 12. New this 30 and format the list and it will be id. Let's just copy paste this for making this faster. There are 4 fields. This is name, this is contact, and this is address. This is the name, contact, and address. Let's run this file. If we will not get error. Yes, this is giving me. I was applying some effect, but it is not giving to me. I will see this as like this, and I will show you what it will give us. Yes, now it is giving us the center line, means it will affect. This is in the same line because this is first word. It will give 30 space character in this, and it will be center from this and this. And same was this, we don't need 30 character. Let's make 30 character, and this is centering us in a same pattern. And we can make this same also here by making, you can make this, but I will not make this here. You can make this as like this, less than 30, and pass here variable id. Same this you can make other also, but I will not make. I'm not making this. You will get this when you will all may apply this effect, then you will get it. Let's see, this is coming here because this is applying 30 step here, and we will not print this here. I think I will not print this here. I will print this Yes, this is how we can make this, and it this position will be in the same position. You can make this in the same position also. I will not bother this. Thank you for watching this video. It is been long, and we will meet in another for custom search. Here we will pass a parameter we want to show. Thank you for watching this.